That's pretty. This paper. It's all like blood red, man. That's cool.
Yeah, and then I got my picture frame that, and then I think that's enough. You enough for that?
Yeah.
Considering he didn't get it.
Got some fish in there to make that.
It's gonna be awesome when my mom has her baby. I think that baby has a good name.
I was saying that too, name it stupid names.
Like really, like run-of-the-mill names. Like everyone has those.
Did you read the card yet? How many people you got? 2 more.